Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Smart Wallet and Me, where financial wisdom matters. In today's video, I'm going to do a stock analysis on Stellas Life Sciences with the ticker symbol SLS. So let's get right into it. Stellas Life Sciences Group Inc. is a late-stage clinical biopharmaceutical company focused on the development of novel cancer immunotherapies for a broad range of cancer indications. The company's lead product candidate, GPS, is a cancer immunotherapeutic agent licensed from the Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center that targets a broad spectrum of hematologic cancers and solid tumor indications. Stellas commenced a pivotal phase 3 clinical trial of GPS in patients with AML in January 2020. In January 2020, Stellas commenced the pivotal phase 3 study of GPS in acute myeloid leukemia, or AML. Stellas is also currently conducting a phase 1 out of 2 open-label basket study of GPS in combination with the anti-PD-1 therapy in collaboration with Merck, also known as MSD outside of the United States and Canada. The primary indication currently being studied is ovarian cancer, second or third line. Stellas has received orphan drug designations for GPS from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration and the European Medicines Agency (EMA) for AML, malignant pleural mesothelioma (MPM), and multiple myeloma (MM). GPS has also received Fast Track designation for AML, MPM, and MM from the FDA. So guys, the FDA has already given some approval for some of these drugs. They've been approved and ready to go. And right now in 2021, it looks like this stock is going to get ready to go a little bit higher from here. So let's take a look at the stock chart here. The current price of this stock is $6.10, and it went up 10.91% today. And if you look at the beginning of December of 2020, the stock was trading at $3.69, and it went up all the way up to $17.66 on December 10, and then it came crashing way back down again to $6.69 because they were not able to get some funding that they needed to get some of these drugs out. And it's been trading in this sideways motion for about 2 months now. From December till January, we've been trading in this $6 range. And today we got a big boost of 10.91%. I currently don't own any shares of SLS, but there is a buy rating on TipRanks. TipRanks has a moderate buy rating based on 2 analysts offering 12-month price targets for Stellas Life Sciences Group in the last 3 months. The average price target is $10 with a high forecast of $12 and a low forecast of $8. The average price target represents a 63.93% increase from the last price of $6.10. This company deals with a lot of different diseases, like acute myeloid leukemia is the most common, affecting adults, and its incidence increases with age. They deal with multiple myeloma, is a cancer formed by malignant plasma cells and its cause is unknown. They deal with malignant mesothelioma, is an asbestos-related cancer that forms on the protective tissues that cover many of the internal organs. Ovarian cancer is a solid tumor that forms in the ovaries. So guys, they have a lot of things in their pipeline. Also breast cancer, and it says that it can take multiple forms, and Stellas is currently investigating 3 types. So they have a lot of things in the pipeline that is going to be some good news for cancer patients in particular. And if you believe that this stock could go higher from here and maybe go back to around the $17 range, or maybe even higher than that, because if you look in the previous couple of years or so, you can see that in 2016 the price was $13,800, it was $2,900 in 2016, and then it went down to $1,945 in 2017. So if you believe that this stock is going to go higher from here, let me know. What do you guys think about this stock? The RSI currently is at 52, and the stochastics is making that curve again. It's going to go back up. You know, the 50-day moving average is at 535, and 200-day moving average is around 350. So it is going up right now, and the aftermarket price is $6.17. So guys, let me know what your thoughts are. I would love to hear from you. Please subscribe, like this video, let me know, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.